Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam fatal error that says Steam needs to be online to update. First, locate your Steam shortcut. Right-click on it and select Open File Location. Next, right-click steam.exe and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Make sure Run this program as an administrator is enabled. Also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply and then OK. Now launch Steam and see if the issue is fixed. If the error still appears, right-click steam.exe again and open Properties. Go to the Shortcut tab and copy the target path. Next, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Paste the Steam path into the box. After the closing quotation mark, add a space and type /repair. Then click OK. Wait for Steam to complete the repair process. Once it's finished, try launching Steam again. If you're still getting the error, press Windows plus R once more. Type in etncpl.cpl and click OK. Go to the Connections tab and select LAN settings. Make sure use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked. Click OK, then Apply. Restart Steam and check if the problem has been resolved. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe, take care. Bye.